Welcome to this Cryptex review for July 17th, 2025. This is a platform, if you're not familiar with it, that gives you a Bitcoin opportunity in a staking platform. So basically, what this company states that they do is they help you to invest in Bitcoin and earn through what is called a node on the blockchain, or their node or supernodes. And what those nodes and supernodes do is accumulate expenses and or processing fees, and then we're getting a percentage of those processing fees in Bitcoin rewards. Now, as you can see, I have a current commission for the week of about $496. That's normally about $700 to $800 a week just in promotional commissions. Okay. Now, this is the total overall balance. Click on the link in the description below if you want to go through the training and see all of the information. I don't want to take too much time in this video to explain all the details. But what I can say is that here is the loan staking pool, and then here is the profit so far from that staking pool. And then if we go down, you can see that my actual initial profits from the actual contracts purchased is here. And then the actual reward referral staking profits of promoting to other people is here. Now, one of the big things I wanted to say is something that they have that is new, which is the 2-year contract agreement. Before, they only had 3-year, 5-year, and 7-year. Okay, but now they offer a 24-month staking opportunity. And the processing fee for each contract is right here. And then they also have a hybrid pack where you get 15 contracts for the price of 10. And they're on a 24-month basis. You can see these are the other contracts that are offered. The 36 hybrid is the 36 month. Then they have the pack here as well. And then they have individuals of the 5-year and the 7-year. Okay, so this is what's been going on for me, and I've been a part of this since November of 2023. So we're getting closer and closer to 2 years on this platform. It is paying off consistently. I have never had a referral or a withdrawal request that has been denied. They've always sent it to the exact Bitcoin wallet that I requested. And this platform is about using and transferring Bitcoin. That's what I would recommend. They do also accept Bitcoin Cash as a form of payment, but definitely getting it sent to your Bitcoin wallet and processing and purchasing these contracts with the processing fee through your Bitcoin is probably the best way to do it. Okay, so if you have any questions, click on the link in the description below. This review will continue as we go forward. I will be showing you my results as they come up with the contract expirations that are coming up in the very near future, probably in the next year or so. And hopefully this platform will be continuing to blow through the DeFi staking platforms of Bitcoin.